like you're in the way.
Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy.
Oh, guys, this is our band Acorn.
What do you call Acorn? Only know one chord.
Only one chord for today.
You're gonna.
Alright. I'll just make something up. Sorry.
Huh?
Here we go. It's a
Right?
good thing today that I got a TV in the kitchen, so I can't listen to your bitching about how bad our chord sucks. I can't. I don't know.
take this right now. Just wave at it. Hey, I'm just halfway through.
Hey. Oh, hey there.
Oh, hey there. Okay, I gotta not fuck up. We can make a yoga instructor video.
I'll breathe in and out.
That sounds like just let them go.
Feel in the now. Let your past and your worries all go. And an exhale. In and out.
Let's do this like the whole time. Not even
Big boy, someday. Got blood on your face, big disgrace. All over the place, and we will rock you. We will rock you with our acorn.
like acorns and Tinkerbells and
You say
fucking Jack the Beanstalk.